dude. God, dude, this guy. Since when I'm with you.
Hey buddy, that's fucking cool. Jesus. That was a choice.
Because they don't do a good enough job protecting them. They just can't accept that. You can't have that happen. Let's go to Mark. He's in Connecticut. What's up, Mark? Hey, guys.
Than I first expected. I guess the sticky guy is bigger in person than I realized. This does not bring me comfort. The sides of his excavation are coated, like everything else he touches, in the mucoid luminous ooze that glows with...
No. Fucking idiot, you have a green, I have a green light.
Okay, this is one way. That's cool. I deep dove on them for like a week. Her lore is very interesting. How so? Because she started off being like hanging around. That's cool, man. Yeah. And he just got into all stuff.
Turn left on Cypress Street, then turn right on Cabot Street.
Left tackle. Okay, we know that. Now, there's no rollouts to the right. There's no design runs. There's just
really?
nothing going on the offense. And it's just disappointing because they could have...
Which fucking lane are you in, dude?
Keep left to stay on Massachusetts 28 North.
Oh my fucking god. Wow.
Beef jerky. I dumped almost $500 on stock assets today.
Oh?
I finished that video.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, everybody's coming from all sides. Yeah, I'll get reimbursed, but I had to spend almost $500.
god, dude. Really?
Oh. That's cool.
No bad acoustic.
She's making a distraction for herself. The momentary relapse makes good night. She's finally back.
Isn't always how it goes. Like, I remember that I should buy things to write them off, like, because I'm thinking about tax season, and like, but they'll go towards next year. Can you go faster?
Oh, nope, they just
Nope,
can't
you
go,
can't.
period.
Mentioned we're going to go down to Field of Foodie, right? But is he going to have time to do that?
That's a good question, Steve. I mean, touchdown pass last week.
Fuck,
was what,
dude.
34? Not in the end zone. Whether it was. He's saying Will Cambridge consumed for Billy Bacon this when he was playing football. Is that the suggestion?
That's what it sounded.
I'm not.
I mean, that's just felt like sort of a